Welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making easy chocolate cookies. Let's begin. I have 1 cup of hazelnut spread. I have 1 egg, 1 cup of sugar, and here I have some crushed peanuts. I'm going to add my 1 cup of sugar. These are really sweet. My 1 egg. And my hazelnut spread. And we're going to need to mix this well. Okay, it's so good. I don't want to leave anything in there. Just mix it all together. Okay, that's all mixed together, and that you're gonna really have to strong arm this cookie batter, cookie dough, because that's all it is. You're just gonna take it, put it in your hand, just flatten it out a little bit, and hold on, and just place them on your cookie sheet. Try not to make them too big, or as big as you want, but just you have to separate them because they're going to spread. And I'm going to add, I have the crushed peanuts that I have. I'm just going to sprinkle some on top. And like I said, they're going to cook for 8 minutes. I'm going to finish these up and I'll be right back. They aren't really uniform, but that's fine. A cookie is a cookie. But I'm going to place them in the oven for 8 minutes. Here's how they look coming out of the oven. We're going to let them cool for 10 minutes. And here's what they look like out of the oven. They're just like a little snap cookie, but they're still kind of moist. They're really, really good. They're a very sweet treat. So be careful. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her. Pray for him. Pray for you. Pray for them. Pray for us. Then pray again. Don't stop praying. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. That's it, and that's all. Later. Wait. Before you go, let me share something with you. I saved the other half of the dough, and I added a tablespoon of peanut butter. And remember, these are the first ones. Chocolatey goodness. And here, let me show you with this one. I added the peanut butter, and it gave them some depth. Now these are cakey, and they are so good. So that's like getting 2 different cookies out of 1 batch. Give it a try. You're gonna love it. Alright, thanks. Later.